Make a 10-minute sleep mask with me. If you're making your own pattern, remember to label your pieces. Cut out your fabric and a piece of cotton batting. Iron straps in half and fold in a 1/4 inch, then sew them closed. Sew Velcro onto both straps. Pin straps onto the mask, right sides together, tucking the strap ends into the center. Place down your second piece of fabric, right side down, and pin around, leaving an opening at the top. This is so you can flip it right sides out after sewing. Sew the pinned areas. Go slow around the nose. The curve can be a little tricky. Serge or overcast your seams. Remember to leave the opening on the top. Tie off your threads and snip. Turn the mask right sides out using the opening you left on the top. You can use a turner or a pen if you want. Close the opening on the top. Look over your mask and trim any missed threads. Check your seams one last time. And you're all done. I hope you enjoyed. Follow me for more content like this.